Well, it really all started when my agent approached me about being able to write a book with Brian Tracy. And Brian is just an amazing man. I've known him for many years, and so it was just a really great honor for me to be able to actually participate and write a book with him. And it's really just been a fabulous ride throughout the whole process, really. In my chapter in the book, I actually wrote about how to become a principled performer. And a principled performer is an organization or a person that's able to reliably achieve their objectives while addressing uncertainty and acting with integrity. We've seen a lot of businesses over the years that have made mistakes. They've gotten fined, they've gone out of business, missed some of the risks that they're dealing with. And so it's really, principled performance is about managing your performance, but also managing the risks that are coming about, but doing it with integrity. So it was really exciting for me to see when the book actually launched. We were actually able to hit the best-selling list in a couple of different categories, even the first day. And since the book actually had such success, I was actually notified that I was going to be inducted into the National Academy of Best-Selling Authors. And I was really excited to find out that I'll be able to get this Quilly Award actually at the Roosevelt Hotel in Hollywood, which was actually the first location for the Academy Awards. It's really great to be here in Hollywood with all of the history and everything that's here. Going out on the street, seeing the Walk of Fame and all the different stars, thinking maybe someday my name could be there too. And it's just kind of a surreal feeling. I've always wanted to write a book, but actually getting a publishing deal, writing a book, and then actually having it become a bestseller. I've always wanted to write a book, but never, realized that I could also be a best-selling author. And so it's just really a dream come true for me. Being able to go up on the stage and actually, receive the Quilly Award as a best-selling author. The emotions and everything that go along with that were just great. It's like a childhood dream come true. My experience this week has just been incredible. I've been able to spend time with people like New York Times best-selling author Jack Canfield of Chicken Soup for the Soul, Lee Steinberg, the inspiration for the Jerry Maguire movie, Rudy Rudiger, who they based the movie Rudy on, and even Aaron Gruel, an amazing teacher who Hilary Swank played in the movie The Freedom Writers. So I learned so many different things from these people, things that will help me personally, but also that I can take back and actually share with my clients to help improve their lives and their businesses as well. So after receiving the Quilly, I was able to get onto the red carpet and attend, some of these Hollywood bashes that you only think about in Hollywood, that you dream about and you see on TV, but you never expect that you'll actually be a part of. So at the after party, I actually got to hang out with and network with some amazing entrepreneurs and leaders from all over the world. I try to tell people all the time that it's important for us to surround ourselves with other people that are successful, because successful people just help us learn, they help us develop and become better people, and they're such an inspiration actually for all of us. I want to say a special thanks to the National Academy of Best-Selling Authors and to all my clients and friends and family that have given me such amazing support over the years. So if anybody watching this would like a copy of the book or more information about some of the things that we do, you can reach out to me on my personal website at jasonmefford.com.